Alright, gagawa tayo ng tutorial for screencast sa YouTube. Alright, punta tayo sa YouTube. And then, let's go to Go Live. Ayan o, Go Live. Screencast. Ay, orientation, nakatayo yung phone. Okay, ganyan, nakatayo. Pinutin natin ang orientation, ganyan. So, nakahiga na siya. Okay. And, flip ko nga yung camera. Para hindi okay. So, ganyan. And then, edit na natin. Edit. Edit ang live stream. Pwede mo siyang gawing unlisted, public, or members only. So, unlisted ko muna yan. And then, ayan, mayroon akong message doon. And then, screencast. Gusto nyo i-on location, on mo yung location. Pwede ka mag-go live together. Pero mag-screencast ako, and then going to put the game title. Kunwari, Avakin na nga lang. Avakin. And then, Avakin 2013. Ayan na siya. Screencast. Tag products, pwede. Schedule later, pwede rin. And settings, kasi on natin ang monetization, and then may lumalabas na mga ads, nilalagay ko ng ganyan. On ko na yung video contains paid promotion para safe. And, ayan, tapos na. Pwedeng maglagay tayo ng thumbnail, upload thumbnail. Meron na akong ginawang thumbnail. So, piliin na lang yan mula sa iyong photo album. And then, ayan, lagay na natin yan. Save. Something like that. Tapos, next. No, not for kids yung audience natin. And then next. Next lang. Next. About to enter the screen broadcast mode. Remember, anything on your screen, notification, etc. will be streamed. Got it? Okay. So, pangalan yan, nakaganito. Naka-horizontal. Okay. So, ayan. Rotate mo yung phone mo, and then start now. Okay. Start now. Hindi ko ginagamit yung camera, so ito pipindutin natin, this one. Ayan, para ma-on. On and off ka ito. On. Nakikita ka dito. Hi. And then, off na lang yung camera para, pwedeng on-off ang microphone. And then, go live. Ayan, naka-live na. Naka-vertical, horizontal. So, ganito lang. Natin para makita natin yung nakahiga. Okay, kukunin ko yung isang ganyan. For YouTube, for example. Ayan. O, nakatayo pa siyang ganyan, no? Nakatayo pa yan. Pag itinagilid mo inikot mo yung phone, ayan na siya. Welcome to LuvLiNes. So, ganyan na. Nakatayo na siya. So, that's all. Thank you for watching. Have a good day and God bless. And if you want to join the channel, hit the join button. Subscribe. Para sa mga gustong, ayan o, di ba nakatayo siya? Nakaganyan siya, o. O, ha? So, ganyan kalaki pag naka-vertical. Pero ganito pag naka-horizontal yung orientation ng inyong live stream. Okay, thank you once again. Have a good day and God bless. This is once again LuvLiNes, live streaming from Caloocan City, Philippines. Live streaming. Sample lang naman ito. Tutorial for a live stream na horizontal. For Gyms TV, at sa lahat ng mga gustong gumamit ng screencast, horizontal ang orientation ng kanyang live stream, especially yung mga kagaya ko na naglalaro ng Avakin gaming, tsaka yung mga malalapad na screen. Kasi yung ibang games nakatayo eh. Alright? Thank you. Naka-default nga pala siya na, naka-default siya na vertical, patayo. Naka-portrait. Naka-default ang screencast na naka-portrait. So, kailangang iset natin sa landscape. And by the way, don't forget na i-auto-rotate yung ganito. Alright? So, that's all. Thank you once again. This is LuvLiNes. Have a good day. God bless. Don't forget, God loves you and you're God's beautiful creation. Thank you, everyone. Mwah. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is LuvLiNes. Have a good day and God bless.